This is a tutorial for accessing the Blackboard Collaborate room for the 2022 Agora conference. After you have clicked on the Blackboard Collaborate link that can be found in our conference program, you will be taken to this homepage. You can type your name as well as your preferred pronouns if you like. Upon entering the room, there are three buttons at the bottom to note. The first one here is the raise hand button. If you have a question during the Q&A period and you would like to ask it with your microphone, please click to raise your hand. You are welcome to turn your camera on in order to increase the community spirit. However, this is at your discretion. We certainly want everyone to maintain any level of privacy that they like in their personal spaces. This is the microphone button. We do ask that you keep your microphone on mute unless you are the presenter and unless you have a question during the Q&A period. If when you attend, you are an observer, you can ask a question in the chat. For presenters, if you have content to share, like a PowerPoint or some other visual, you can click on the Share Content button, which is the square with the arrow on it. And from here, you can click Share Application and Screen. You can either share your entire screen, a window, for example, a PowerPoint, or you can share a Chrome tab. If you have any questions, please do reach out to us by the email that can be found on the conference program. And we look forward to seeing you at the Agora conference in a few short weeks. Thank you.